with the numbers 1 to 10 on them. Introduction. The teacher should start out by explaining that addition is simply the combination of two or more different groups of numbers. For example, if you have a pile with two objects in it and another pile with one object in it, you get 3. The teacher should count. Page number 2. The separate piles, then put the piles together and count them again. Next, the teacher should get 5 students to come up to the front of the room. The students should be split up into two groups. One with 3 individual and other with 2. The students in the first group should each get pieces of paper with the number 1, 2 and 3 written on them. The student in the second group should get the numbers 4 and 5. The class should then count the student in the first group. The teacher should then say that we are now going to add 2 and 3 together. As the group of 2 moves to the group of 3, the teacher should say that we have just added 2 to 3. The students should then count this new group and come up with the number 5. Main lesson. The teacher should now talk to the students about the different ways we can use addition in our everyday lives. The teacher should give the example of figuring out how many fish are in the fish tank. The fish could be separated in several ways depending on what fish are in the tank. If there is 1 black fish and 2 goldfish, this is an easy for the children to add. The teacher should be accepting of most things the student wants to add. If one student wants to add 3 blocks and 1 desk, that is okay. Page number 3. Conclusion. As a conclusion to this lesson, the teacher should have several different objects that she or he has gathered for the student to add. Each student should get a chance to do this. If any students make a mistake, the teacher should correct them and help the student by having them count each and they count the pile together. Evaluation. The students should be informally evaluated based on how the teacher has observed then answering questions. A short quiz could be used as well but should not take more than 5 minutes to finish. So this is the final answer. So अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो ज़रा सा भी पसंद आया और अगर आपको आगे के और भी आंसर चाहिए असाइनमेंट 3 और असाइनमेंट 2 के और कोर्स 505 के, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। थैंक यू।